This is a great winter sandwich in a panini style and was inspired by a recent trip to Cold Hollow Cider Mill. To make the sandwich, you'll need some sourdough bread, arugula, some bacon. I used some applewood smoked bacon I had in the freezer, an apple, a jar of cider jelly or apple jelly, some brie or any soft ripened cheese, butter, and some caramelized onions. You can prep the sandwich while your bacon cooks, so get that going in the skillet. Don't cook it too fast, but render out the fat as you want to have the bacon crisp so there is some crunch to it. To prepare the sandwich, take 2 slices of bread and lightly butter them. On one slice, spread a thin layer of apple jelly and top that with arugula. Slice your brie into 1/4-inch strips and put that on top of the arugula, and then top the whole thing with some apple slices. On the other side of the bread, add your bacon. Top that with some caramelized onions and then fold the 2 halves together. Now butter the top of your sandwich and you're ready to get it in the pan. Drain the fat from the pan you cooked the bacon in and wipe it out. Put the pan back on medium heat and carefully put the sandwich in the skillet, butter side down. While this cooks, butter the top side, and after a couple of minutes, flip the sandwich over. You want the bread to be crispy and toasted on both sides, and cooked just long enough to begin to melt the cheese. After you've cooked the second side for a couple of minutes, transfer the sandwich to a cutting board and slice it on the diagonal. Plate with some additional thinly sliced apples, and you could pair this with a nice glass of cider. The layers of flavor and texture are what makes this sandwich so yummy. We hope you enjoy this Vermont-inspired sandwich as much as we did.